Create 300 viral YouTube shorts in just 10 minutes.
Yesterday I found this channel, and this channel constantly uploading the YouTube shorts about facts. 𝘀𝗫𝗶 estimates that this channel making this much money every single month, and these videos are so simple to create. Actually, I can create even better version of viral YouTube shorts. I bet you never seen a video like this before. You may have seen other videos that shows you how to create a bulk content for YouTube shorts, Instagram reels or TikTok videos. But in this video, I'll walk you through how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to create these type of viral shorts. First, I'll give you my secret prompt that you can insert into ChatGPT that will give you amazing content. Then we will take that content to Canva and we will create amazing YouTube viral shorts. Additionally, I'll show you how you can create your own viral YouTube shorts template using Canva. Before I show you the main process of making viral YouTube short, I want to let you know that it requires Canva Pro account. Free account won't work. So if you have a Canva Pro account and healthy mind, let's get started and let's create viral YouTube shorts together. Okay, buddy. First of all, let's go to ChatGPT and you have to paste this prompt. You'll find the same prompt in the video description. You can increase or decrease the number of facts, or you can change the facts from here. I'm asking ChatGPT to write facts about women, men, and friendship. You can replace them with your own fact type. Once you do it, let's press enter and let's see what will we get from ChatGPT. So here you can see ChatGPT start writing 40 facts about women, men, and friendship. But I want to make some changes in here. I want ChatGPT to separate them in each row. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to type something like separate Excel table for each and add 9 rows. And let's see. Okay, ChatGPT separate them, but he did not add the 9 row horizontally. But that's fine. That will work for us. If you want him to write more, you can say something like 100 more. Let's press enter. Let's see. Stop in Excel format. Alright, so now we have 100 more. You can copy them in your Excel sheet or you can use them as it is. So here I'm going to use blank template. This is my Google Sheet. Let's copy and paste these facts in a separate row. So here we have the women facts. Copy it, come over here and paste it over here. Adjust them like so. Come back to ChatGPT and copy the boy fact and come over here and paste right here. And above I'm going to type something like theme, first part, and this will be the second part. Let's expand them. In the next row I'm going to type theme, first part, and here goes second part. Awesome. And I need to copy the friendship fact. Let's paste it over here. Awesome, right? So this way you can save these facts on your Google Sheet. You can name it whatever you like. Now we have prepared our facts. Let's go to canva.com. In the Canva account, search for YouTube Shorts and select YouTube Shorts. From here, select blank template. Now I'll show you how you can create your own template, and then we will connect that facts into our template. In the design tab, you can go to templates and here you can search any template that you like. I've already found my favorite template, this one right here. I'm going to select this one. You can see this template has 5 pages. I'm going to select my first page and I'm going to click over here to import this page. Let's click on the another page and here I'm going to import this one. Let's click over here. Let's import the third page. If you have multiple facts, you can add as many pages as you want. Just watch the video and you'll understand how to create your own template. Okay. Once you understand, you can add as many pages as you want. So like I mentioned earlier, I have only 3 types of facts: women, men, and friendship. So let's customize our template. In the first page, I'm going to type something like 3 facts about, and then I'm going to resize them just like it. About women, men, below I'm going to type friendship. Awesome, right? 3 facts about women, men, and friendship. You can replace these elements if you want by going to the element, and here you will find tons of different types of elements, stickers that you can add inside your template. Let's go to the second page. Here, first I'm going to duplicate the text. I'm going to grab this text over here. Let's go to effects. Let's add the outline effect. Change the thickness. Change the color to black. Thickness will be 140. Okay. Next, this text, scale it down. Grab it over here. And I'm going to increase the width just like it. And below text, scale it down, increase the width as well, as much as you can. Okay, once you do it, you can change the font if you want from this list. I have the pro version of the Canva. For this video tutorial, like I mentioned before, pro version is required. Okay, once you do it, select the first text and then right click and click on show timing, and make sure your first text should be like this and your second text should be appear only in 1.5 seconds. By doing this, your viewer will watch the second part again and again, and it will increase your watch time when your viewer watch your video again and again. So this way your video will go viral. So this is the trick to make a viral YouTube shorts, and we will do the same into the second part. Or you can do one thing, you can select the third page or you can delete it and just duplicate the second page like this, and you can increase the length of the third page like so. Awesome, right? Next, you can change the background if you want, or you can change the video from here. Let's go to elements, let's go back, and here search for women and men together, and let's see what we'll have. Let's go to videos and come over here and select vertical, and you will see the vertical videos. Select the video that you like, or maybe type something like friendship. Let's search for friendship only, or maybe boyfriend and girlfriend. Found the video that you like, so I think this one. I'm gonna drag and drop this video right here. You can double click on the video, you can adjust it like so. Let's go to the third page, and here let's find another video. We got this video, drag and drop the video over here. Awesome, right? So our video length is too high. Let's make it 5 seconds long. So this video should be 5 seconds as well. Awesome. And the first part should be appear only for 2.2 seconds. Awesome. So total length of the video is 12.8 seconds. And that's pretty much it. You can increase or decrease the length of the video, but this is the viral video recipe. So our template is ready. Once you're happy designing with your template, now it's time to connect your effects with this template. So how are we going to do it? Let's select the second page, scroll down, come to the left hand side, and we need to search for bulk content. Where it is, we got the bulk content, and click on enter manual data, clear table, and here we need to paste all the facts that we have about women, men, and friendship. So this is our data. So I'm going to copy it and let's paste it over here. Let's verify. There we go. So you can see we have 9 lines, and we have the fact about women and boy, and we have the friendship. Okay, it should be men. ChatGPT mistakenly wrote it. Anyways, you can ask ChatGPT to fix the mistake. I didn't notice that, but this is what it is. Once you paste your facts, click done, and now let's start connecting them with these text. Right click on the first text and click on connect data. Select the theme, this one right here, and you can see the blue tick mark right here. Now connect this one. Right click, connect data, first part. Right click, connect data, second part, and we are done here. Let's go to the third page and let's duplicate this page one more time. Right click, duplicate the page, and we have another page. Okay, in the second page, let's connect this one as well. Right click, let me show timing for this one. It is okay. For this one I need, this one is okay as well. This one is perfectly fine. Let me see one more time. 1.5 seconds. Okay, for this 1.5 seconds, it should be only 1.5 seconds. The second part should appear only for 1.5 seconds. For this one, 1.5 seconds. Awesome. Let's connect this one. Right click, connect data, theme to this one, boy. And now let's connect the second text. Let's connect this one. Right click, connect data, second part. As you can see, we connected the women facts into our first page, and we have connected the boy facts into our second page. Now let's go to the third page. You can replace the video if you want. Let's click over here and connect the data. Right click, connect data, theme. Right click, connect data, first part. As you can see, right click, connect data, second part. And we're done here. The only thing is left with this video. Let's replace this one as well. Go to element, videos. Let's replace this one. Amazing, right? As you replace the video, the page length will increase automatically. Let's adjust the timing as well. 5 seconds, 5.5 seconds. Okay, the last text should be appear only for 1.5 seconds. Awesome, right? This is the recipe of viral video. Once you do it, let's go back to bulk create, and you can see all the facts has been connected into our template. So in the similar way, if you have multiple facts, you can add as many pages as you want. Once you do it, it's time to click on continue button. Click on continue. So I have 9 pages, 9 facts over here. It's time to generate these pages. Click on generate button, and now let's play back and let's see facts about women, men and friendship. First page, when it comes to secret, women can keep them buried deeper than you would never imagine. Okay, let's go to the third page, boy fact, friendship fact. So I think I forget to change the width of this text. So keep in mind that change the width of this text as well. Now it's time to go with the second viral video, women facts. Awesome, right? Second page, third page. The only mistake I made is I forget to increase the width of this text. Okay, so that's why I told you in the beginning of this video, watch the entire video first and then start creating your own viral YouTube short. So our YouTube short is ready. It's time to click on the share button and click on download. And here you can see we have 36 pages. Now all you need to do is uncheck all of them and download your viral YouTube shorts just by checking the 4 pages at a time, and then click done and click on download. And your one video will be ready to upload. This way you can download as many YouTube viral shorts as you want.
So there you have it. This is how you create a more than 300 viral YouTube shorts in just 10 minutes. If you found the video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. That being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you next time.